Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 26, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong April 26, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, April 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 26, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 92.5 million pesos for Friday, April 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 26, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.